To reset Sony WF-C710N, first of all, you will have to start by inputting both earbuds inside the charging case. You have to also be sure that you charge it at least for like 5 or 10 minutes to get enough power to actually do this. And now you will have to rotate the case and click and hold this button, but you will have to hold it for almost 20 seconds. So let me show you how the LED behavior. So we have to click and hold it and just be patient. Just take a look on this small indicator on the front. First of all, it's gonna start blinking with a blue color, but after that, when you keep holding that button, it's gonna turn into the orange, and we have to still keep holding that button. Do not release. Now, when the LED orange light is gone, we can finally release that button. And as you can see now, we are not connected anymore, which means that we successfully restore all default settings.